All right, responsibility. Puppet show, take one. What's going on?
That's awkward. That's pedophilia right there.
Given enough time, any puppet will make out with another puppet.
Take two.
Hiya, kids. Hold on. Maggie, help me. Give me some material. Give me something to work with.
Did you do your homework?
No. I don't do my homework because I am irresponsible Tina.
Well, you're not going to get good grades if you're not doing your homework.
I don't care. I don't like good grades. I'm irresponsible.
Where's responsible Ron?
Yeah, where is that boy?
I did my homework. I'm responsible to Ron.
That Ron boy sure handsome. If you're responsible, I suppose that makes you handsome too.
That's some good advice. Being responsible is good for everyone.
Wow, we all learned a good lesson today.
You were possessed by Adam Sandler. Billy Madison. Billy Madison, that's what.
I can't